After opening AutoCAD, this is the full interface of AutoCAD 2018 version. Now, this is the application button. By new option, you can open a new page of AutoCAD. By open, you can open any existing drawing. By save option, you can save your drawing in your desired location. You can save a same drawing with different name with the save as option. With import, you can import any different format drawing into AutoCAD. By export, you can export your drawing into different formats. By publish, you can publish your drawing. By print, you can print your drawing and get a hard copy. In drawing utilities, you can do many things. You can see the properties of the drawing. You can change and control the units. You can evaluate the integrity of a drawing and correct some errors. You can see the drawing statistics, modes and extents. You can purge a drawing. You can also recover and repair a damaged drawing. You can see the drawings that may need to be recovered after failure your system. From close, you can close your current drawing page, or you can close all the drawing pages that are opened. You can open any command from this search bar, such as I am typing line. Here you can see the line command and all related commands. This is the quick access toolbar. Here you can see some same options which are in application button, such as new, open, save, save as, plot. Here you can see the undo and redo option. Here in this drop down arrow, you will get workspace changing options. First one is drawing and annotation, which is open now. Second is 3D basic. Here you will get all the tools related to 3D basic. Third is 3D modeling. Here you will get all the 3D modeling tools. These all things I will cover later. Now open drafting and annotation workspace. In this drop down arrow, we can get more options that we can add in quick access toolbar. Those which are checked are already added in quick access toolbar, and by simply click on them, you can add or remove them from the toolbar. For example, I am unchecking the plot option. See in the toolbar, the plot option is disappear now. Like this way, you can add or remove any option from the toolbar. This is AutoCAD title bar. Here you can see name of the drawing, by which name you saved the drawing, or if you didn't put any name, it will take the by default name. As here you can see, it is drawing 1, and also you can see the extension name as DWG. As you all know, the AutoCAD file extension is DWG. In this search bar, you can type any command and you will get online help from Autodesk. Here you can sign in to your Autodesk account if you have any. Know about A360. You can explore purchase options. You can manage your license. Next here you can do other online works. And next from this one you will get help. You can download offline help. You can send feedback. You can download language packs. You will get desktop analytics. And you will get to know about Autodesk AutoCAD 2018. This whole part is called ribbon. And these are the tabs. Within tabs, these are the panels. Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, View, Manage, Output, A360, Express Tools, etc. In this draw panel, you will get line, polyline, circle making options, arcs, and many more options by which you can draw your model. This is modify panel. Also here you can get many options by which you can modify your model. This is annotation panel. By using this, you can put dimensions or write any text. Next are layers, block, properties, groups, etc. that I will discuss with you later on. Now come to world coordinate system. whose short form is WCS. We all know this is East, West, North and South. This is used for 3D modeling. This is viewport controls. By clicking on restore viewpoint, you can see 4 views of your drawing, or you can maximize it also. Next one is viewport configuration list. Here you can see views as per your requirement, such as 3 left. It means one single view at left side and 2 views at the right side. The blue box indicates your current view. By simply clicking inside of any view, you can change your current view. It is very useful at the time of making 3D models, where you can see different views of your model. By simply changing your model in any view, it will appear in the other views. These other options, view cube and navigation bar, are checked, so they are showing on the right side. By checking the steering wheels option, it will also appear. Next is view control option. Here you can see top, bottom, left, right, front side and back side of your model. Also you can see the isometric views of your model. Here you can change your visual styles. These options are more helpful while you are making any 3D model. This is the whole drawing space where you will draw and make models. This is command line. By simply typing any command into this line, you can do any operation. This is drawing coordinate. When you will move the cursor, these digits will also change. The third one is fixed because it is the Z coordinate and it will appear when you will use the 3D option. This is model tab and this is layout tab. We work on both. Layout space is used to plot drawings in different paper size. That is status bar, which I will elaborate later on. This is customize section. By simply check or uncheck them, we can add them into the status bar. This is navigation bar. This is full navigation wheel, by which you can do some operations like zoom, pan, etc. This is pan. After drawing something, you can pan it to the other position. This is zoom extent. By simply click on it, your drawing is positioned to its original place. This is orbit option. It is useful in 3D modeling. Show motions used in case of 3D models. This is minimize to panel button. By simply click on it, you will get the panels differently. First one is minimize to tab. It will show like this. Second one is minimize to panel titles. It is like this. Third one is minimize to panel buttons. It is like this. This is the coordinate system of your drawing. This is the 2D workspace, so that you only see the X and Y axis. In case of 3D modeling, we will see the Z axis also. These are the basics that we have to know before start our drawing. Meet with you in the next tutorial. If you like, then make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all updates. Thank you.